Feast your eyes on this. Beautiful vehicles, so shiny, the beautiful colors. It's a chance for you to see rare and vintage cars like these that change the way that we drive today. In today's Florida on a Tank Full, our Virginia Johnson is at it again. She takes you to the Tampa Bay Automobile Museum in Pinellas Park.
Say hello to the 1937 Peugeot.
It's an overhead cam, 4-cylinder engine.
The first of about 100 cars in Olivier Cerf's family collection. Now the Tampa Bay Automobile Museum.
So you have rotary cars over there.
Each vehicle is here for a reason.
It has to be about engineering and the man behind the cars.
And it had to leave a mark in its time.
Usually it's because of simplicity, easy to build. You know, it's always the same thing as today's cars.
Simplicity and power, like this winner of the Le Mans, the famous 24-hour road race in France.
This car the engine's never been rebuilt. This is an original car, and you know, it still runs today.
Andy Kinworthy is one of the mechanics who keeps engines purring here. Of course, his whip is a fully restored vintage baby. He can make anything go fast, and he can explain all of it to visitors.
I love blowing their mind, you know, and showing them how things worked.
One of his current projects, working on a rare 1909 Elmore two-stroke.
Not like a four-stroke engine like a regular car. Just like a lawnmower, a weed eater, or something like that, two-stroke.
Back to that 1937 Peugeot, the car that started all this. Well, back in 1957, Cerf's dad, Alain, had to buy it at a police auction in Paris.
You know, he couldn't afford a new car, so, you know, that was a used car back then.
What's it worth now?
A lot.
For Cerf,
it's
completely priceless.
I love driving this car. It drives almost like a new car. No power steering, though.
In Pinellas Park for Florida on a Tank Full, Virginia Johnson, Spectrum News.